Hi, here's our PowerPoint part 2. You'll remember, if you started with part 1, that we can put new slides on the left side, we can type text into the slide, and we can add pictures. Now let's look a little more at this text. We can take the text from any slide. We can move around the slides by simply going to the left, finding the one we want and clicking on it. Once we type some text in here, we can highlight it. You can highlight it by double, triple clicking it, or scrolling across with your mouse. And you immediately get, once it's highlighted, a little box here that lets you change the way it looks. So we can change that font, make it into something a little bit fancier. We can change the size, increase it, make it smaller. And you can see as we're playing with it, deciding on what to make it, that in the background, it's showing you what it's going to look like as you roll over each option. So we'll make that a little bit bigger. Now, we can also take this, make this box smaller, and we can move this box around by getting the double black arrows. And we can also use the circle element to put it at an angle. We can make the box smaller horizontally. We can even make the box smaller diagonally. And again, we can move it anywhere we want. We can take this second box for a subtitle. We can click on it, and using the delete on your keyboard, tap the delete, and it'll just go away. If we go to the second slide, we can do the same thing with the text. We might choose a different font since it's not a title of the entire project, but only of the slide. But we can also make it bigger and smaller. Make the box that encases the title smaller to give you more room in your slide for other items. Now we can move it around. Now we can take the items that we're talking about on this slide, and we can add more lines by simply hitting enter at the end of that line. You'll notice it automatically creates a bullet for you to set it off. And once you're done adjusting how you want your text to look, we can add a new slide on the left by right-clicking and clicking on New Slide. Okay, come on back for part 3. Thanks for listening.